Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here today. Today I have my second Rose War Panty Power or RWPP box. So let's get in here and see what we've got this month. So it's perfect that this box comes out monthly because let me tell you what they say on their site. It's all about you and your unwanted guest. RWPP is a monthly subscription box to empower you during that magical time of the month. This is such an awesome box. It is $25.20 a month plus priority shipping, and inside you will receive 15 products for that time of the month, a mix of tampons and pads, or if you are at a place in your life where you don't need those kind of products, you can let them know and you will receive another lifestyle product. You will also get 2 pair of undies, you just let them know your size, and 3 to 5 lifestyle products. So let's just dig right in and see what I got this month. That is what it looks like. And that tissue paper is so pretty. We get a card that will let us know what we received. Let me open this up and I will show you guys the inside. I have absolutely, other than the fact that I know that there are undies and lady things in here, I have no idea what else is in here. Oh, because we also get, and I'm seeing it right on top, we also get a little treat. Everything you need to get you through that time. And I want to let you know that this box is gifted to me for review, but you will always get my honest review. And if you'd like to go over and check out the box, or if you have any interest in subscribing, it is RWPP25 for $5 off your first box, and I will put the link below. Okay, I'm gonna gloss up so I can read you guys all of the important details. It says, welcome to October, box full of joy. And it has a nice pumpkin on it. That is so cute. And it tells us on the back, so just to reiterate what I just let you know, that you can opt out from receiving period products and get another lifestyle gift. All right, I'm gonna open it up, and up top it says, what's in this month's box? The period products that come in this box are organic, so I think that is fantastic. You get 15 total, valued at $7, 2 undies with a value between $8 and $25, and 3 to 4 thoughtfully chosen gifts below. And really, all they tell us, and I'm trying not to look too much because she checks what you receive. There are variations in this box and tells you the value of it. I'm not looking because I don't want to know yet what I received. But let's get back to these snacks. This is High Tie, oh yes, premium chocolate coated cake. Yum. Since 1984. That is so interesting, and it's all it tells us. So I will have to go online and find out what I can find out about these, because that's part of the interesting part too, is I've noticed that some of them are usually a foreign brand, and I keep thinking I should get one of those snack boxes that sends you snacks from another country. If you guys would be interested in seeing that, let me know below. And then I also have a bag of mini Chips Ahoy. Yes, please, and thank you. And, ooh, wonder what this is. I can't read any of the words on here. Oh, up top it says butter waffles. Have a good time with the butter waffles of Crown. That is so interesting looking. Cannot wait to get in there and see what that means. All right, now let's dig into the box and see what else we got. And right on top, and I will tell you this because I think you get this every month. I have a You're of a Genius down there wipes, and they're just wipes to help you take care of yourself at that time. And also we have our products, and we have 9 of the organic tampons and 6 of the pads, and these are by Organic C. So I love that they are organic. Okay, digging into some lifestyle, I have a Sugared Violets Wicked Good Perfume Oil Absolute by Wicked Good, and that is what that looks like. Let's see what it smells like. I didn't think to put any perfume on today since I was just coming up to tape, so that worked really well. Oh, it just smells really sweet. Oh, that smells so good. It just smells really sweet and nice. That smells good. Let me see if it says on here what it is. I should have done that beforehand, but clean, consciously crafted fragrance. Ingredients, grapeseed oil and fragrance. So it's grapeseed oil and fragrance. It's just a very light, sweet scent. It's just nice. That smells good. And just for the record, our little card lets us know that this oil has a $15.95 value. Reaching in next, I have a Z-Skin Age-Defying Nighttime Eye Cream, and it's 100% organic skincare and 1 fluid ounce. That is what that looks like. Let's see what it feels like. Let's get a little bit out of here. And it's just kind of a gelish type cream. Oh, it feels really nice on the back of my hand. Has a very just basic lotion scent. I like that. I don't know about Z Cream. I feel like I've heard about them in the past, but I don't think I've used anything. So this will be fun to try. Yeah, just has a very light lotiony scent. Reaching in next, I have Z Skin Facial Toner, 2 fluid ounces. That is what that looks like. And this says that this has a $28 value. Wow. Using 1 to 2 spritz, apply product to face to quickly heal acne, close pores, lighten dark marks, and restore an even hydrated complexion. Suggested use 2 times per day. Well, I'm not going to spray this. I'm going to go ahead and set it aside because I don't really need anti-acne products. I've moved past that part of my life, but I can totally see why it would be in this box. And reaching in next, I have my little packet of undies. So each box you will receive 2 undies picked out for you and your size. Generally, I think you get 1 regular and 1 thong, but you can go in and change your profile so that you don't receive the thongs if that's what you'd like. I haven't changed my profile because I wanted you guys to get an idea of everything that they did. So this is the thong underwear. Ta-da! So it's very pretty. It's a lovely fabric. It's kind of burgundy with gray and black dots and black trim. That's very pretty. And then you have just a basic kind of hip-high brief. And this is really soft. It's kind of a bluish cotton with a white lace trim. That is so pretty. And it's just a hip height. I like that a lot. And it, like I said, it is so soft. This is from Imprella, and that is who made the thong also. And reaching in, last but not least, I have, it is a lip gloss by Illuminati. Look how pretty that is. That is so pretty. I don't know anything about Illuminati except we are getting, I believe everybody, but I'm not sure, in our BoxyCharm boxes this month, I think everybody is getting an Illuminati eyeshadow palette. So that will be perfect. This is sealed, so let me take it out of here. Let's try a little bit on the back of my hand. It's just an oval-shaped applicator. Oh, so pretty. Wow, it's very light. I'm gonna do it again. It's very light, but super shiny. That is so pretty. I like the way it feels. It doesn't feel tacky. You know, it doesn't feel tacky at all. It's kind of a pinky peach. That is so pretty. And let me tell you that the Illuminati Luxe Lip Gloss has a $21 value. So we have the lip gloss, the Z-Skin Toner, the Z-Skin Eye Cream, and the Wicked Good Sugared Violet Perfume Oil. We have our 2 pair of undies, our monthly products, our wipes, and all of our fun snacks. These are so fun. I love that I don't know anything about these. There's just something very intriguing about that. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you really soon. Take care, guys.